Ilang mga photos ang ibinahagi ng Chris Aquino update sa kanilang Facebook page at doon nga ay makikitang nasa airplano si Chris kasama ang kanyang mga anak at pati na rin ang mga taong malapit sa kanya at nag-a-assist para sa pag-uwi nito sa Pilipinas. Pero bago pa man ang kanyang flight ay isang mensaheng ibinigay ni Chris Aquino sa kanyang Instagram at ipinaliwanag ang kanyang purpose kung bakit kailangan na rin niyang umuwi ng Pilipinas. Ayon kay Chris, I choose to be 100% honest. I arrived in the US with 3 diagnosed autoimmune conditions. A fourth was confirmed in late June of 2022. Autoimmune thyroiditis, chronic spontaneous urticaria, Churg-Strauss, a rare complicated form of vasculitis, systemic sclerosis, and this 2024 I was diagnosed with 5 SLE lupus and 6 rheumatoid arthritis. We are still waiting for the results of 2 more autoimmune conditions. I thank all of you for your prayers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na malasakit at suporta. The reason I decided to go home is because I need to start my second immunosuppressant infusion in 2 to 3 weeks. It's a gentler term for chemotherapy. Emotionally, I need the encouragement and unwavering faith my sisters and cousins, closest friends, and trusted team of doctors can provide. Sadly, what was the battle to improve my health is now the struggle to protect my vital organs. This is now the fight of my life. There are so many I wish to thank: our OC friends who become our adoptive family, the Flypal team, my 2 Phil-Am close friends, Dr. Henry and Dr. Titus, and my Dr. MP, my 3 best friends, Michael Leva, Lena Lonte, Ann Binay. Kuya Josh is staying with Ann for a few more weeks. My Phil-Am nurses, Mike, Cara, Patricia, and my source of strength, and God's biggest blessing, my BIM. They are flying home with me, a longer gratitude post when we get home. Bawal sumuko, tuloy po ang laban. Nagbigay naman ng kanilang mga mensahe si Isa Calzado. Ayon kay Isa, praying for you always, love you ate. See you ganda, ang sabi naman ni Pokwang, we love you ate, ayon kay Eric Santos, at praying for you always, ayon kay Angeline Quinto. At marami pang mga netizen at mga kaibigang artista ang nagpipray na maging maayos nga ang flight ni Chris Aquino pauwi ng Pilipinas.